Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eGagasini from the 13th to the 17th of July 2026 on Monday. The Dubes prepare to say goodbye to Noxolo. Truth or dare find themselves forced to attend Noxolo's funeral, while Jabulo is forced to fight for democracy sneakers on Tuesday. Deadly ambition divide the trio. Edu says he is forced to confront a suspicious death, and Jabulo faces an unexpected setback as Noxolo resurfaces under a new identity. Time is running out on Wednesday. Pume refuses to be pulled out of her grief while Rebecca has the worst day of her life. Jabulo and Lwandle declare their feelings for each other on Thursday. Pume makes a surprising turnaround from grief to business as usual as she deals with Lwandle's shocking reveal that she wants out of Truth or Dare. Rebecca goes to great length to hide the truth about her job from her family on Friday. As pressure mounts, the Dubes face a tough choices while Sihle and Jabulo chase ambition, and Lwandle is torn between expectations and desire. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.